Welcome to our Halloween decoration wreaths video. Whether you're looking to buy a ready-made wreath or get some inspiration for a DIY project, we've got all the information you need. In this video, we'll explore different styles of Halloween wreaths, answer some common questions about customization and materials, and share tips for creating your own unique designs. Let's get started. Types of Halloween wreaths. First, let's take a look at the different types of Halloween wreaths available. From spooky and eerie designs featuring skulls and cobwebs to whimsical and fun wreaths with bright colors and playful decorations, there's something for everyone. You can also find elegant wreaths with a touch of sophistication or minimalist wreaths with simple yet striking elements. No matter your style, there's a Halloween wreath that will perfectly match your decor. One common question we get is, can I customize a Halloween wreath? Absolutely. Customizing a wreath allows you to add your personal touch and make it truly unique. You can start with a pre-made wreath and add elements like ribbons, ornaments, and even small lights to match your theme or color scheme. What materials are used in Halloween wreaths? Common materials for Halloween wreaths include grapevine, foam, or wire bases, as well as decorations like fake spiders, pumpkins, bats, and skulls. Ribbons, artificial flowers, and seasonal foliage are also popular choices to add texture and color. Halloween wreaths can be made from a variety of materials. Common bases include wire frames, foam, and grapevine. Decorations can range from faux flowers, leaves, and berries to themed items like mini pumpkins, skeletons, and spiders. You can also use ribbons, mesh, and fabrics to add texture and color. The possibilities are endless. How can you create a spooky effect on a Halloween wreath? To create a spooky effect, use dark and muted colors like black, purple, and orange. Incorporate eerie elements such as fake cobwebs, miniature skeletons, and glowing LED lights. Adding some tattered fabric or gauze can also enhance the creepy appearance. What themes can be used for designing a Halloween wreath? Popular themes for Halloween wreaths include classic horror, featuring ghosts and ghouls, gothic, using black roses and skulls, and whimsical, with friendly pumpkins and colorful ribbons. Other themes can be inspired by popular Halloween movies, haunted houses, or vintage Halloween decorations. Where is the best place to hang a Halloween wreath? A Halloween wreath is best hung on the front door to welcome guests and set the tone for the season. They can also be displayed indoors on a wall, above a fireplace, or as part of a Halloween party decoration setup. Using a wreath hanger ensures it stays securely in place. For those of you who love a good DIY project, here are some ideas to get you started. You can use a basic wreath form and add your own Halloween-themed decorations like faux flowers, ribbons, and ornaments. If you've purchased a pre-made wreath, consider adding personal touches to make it unique. A few easy additions can make a big difference, like weaving in some battery-operated LED lights or attaching a custom sign. Remember, the key is to have fun and let your creativity shine. Can you use real foliage in a Halloween wreath? Yes, you can use real foliage in a Halloween wreath. Fresh leaves, twigs, and branches can add an authentic touch. However, keep in mind that real foliage will dry out and may not last as long as artificial materials, so it's best for short-term use. How can you make a Halloween wreath kid-friendly? To make a kid-friendly Halloween wreath, use bright colors and fun decorations like friendly ghosts, smiling pumpkins, and cartoon-style bats. Avoid using scary or gory elements. Incorporate items like candy corn, felt shapes, and colorful ribbons to make it cheerful and inviting. What are some eco-friendly options for making a Halloween wreath? Eco-friendly options include using natural materials like twigs, leaves, and pine cones. Recycled or upcycled materials such as old fabric, paper, and bottle caps can also be used creatively. Opt for biodegradable or reusable decorations to minimize waste.
Subscribe now for spooktacular Halloween decoration ideas, tips, and tricks to transform your home into a haunted masterpiece.
How can you incorporate lights into a Halloween wreath? Incorporate lights by using battery-operated LED string lights or fairy lights. Weave them around the wreath base or hide the battery pack within the decorations. Choose orange, purple, or multicolored lights to match the Halloween theme and add a glowing effect. What tools do you need to make a Halloween wreath? Basic tools for making a Halloween wreath include a hot glue gun, scissors, wire cutters, and floral wire. Depending on your design, you might also need a wreath form, ribbons, artificial flowers, and various decorative items like fake spiders, bats, and pumpkins. How can you personalize a Halloween wreath? Personalize a Halloween wreath by adding elements that reflect your style or interests. Use monogram letters, family names, or initials. Incorporate favorite Halloween characters, colors, or themes. Adding handmade decorations or items with sentimental value can also make it unique. Can you use a Halloween wreath indoors? Yes, Halloween wreaths can be used indoors. They make great wall decorations, can be hung above a fireplace, or used as part of a larger Halloween-themed display. Indoor use can help preserve the wreath and protect it from weather-related damage. What are some budget-friendly tips for making a Halloween wreath? For a budget-friendly Halloween wreath, use items from dollar stores or repurpose old decorations. Gather natural materials like twigs and leaves from your yard. DIY elements such as homemade paper bats, painted pine cones, and recycled fabric can also help keep costs low. How do you attach decorations to a Halloween wreath? Attach decorations using hot glue, floral wire, or twist ties. Secure larger items with wire for stability and use hot glue for smaller decorations. Make sure to arrange items before attaching to ensure the wreath looks balanced and visually appealing. What are some popular color schemes for Halloween wreaths? Popular color schemes for Halloween wreaths include classic combinations like black and orange, purple and black and white. You can also use metallics like silver and gold for a more glamorous look, or neon colors for a modern, vibrant design. Thank you for watching our Halloween decoration wreaths video. If you enjoyed this guide, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more holiday decorating tips and DIY projects. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Have a fantastic Halloween and see you next time.